everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm here to share my Shabby Winter Blues journal. So this is a kit that myself and my friend Lou designed. It is available on my Ko-fi, the link's in the description below, and I've made my journal from the kit. She is for sale, so let's have a look at her. I went a little bit mad with the lace, so it's very shabby. So she's quite big. I've not even measured. I've literally just finished her, so there'll be some things that I just need to go and tidy up and make sure there's it's spot on. So on the front here we've got this shaker element, so it's full of chunky glitter. It's very, very pretty. I've just got arrested like so that the light doesn't glare. We've got a lovely side tassel. We've got beautiful lace on the front there, and this lovely applique that's come from a wedding dress, or applique, however you care to say it. So the side here, it has eyelets with the crisscross glittery ribbon. Okay, and then the back is just a little bit lower key with the lace. Because basically I ran out of this one, but it still looks really pretty. The papers here are my original coffee dyed papers. I do have a kit of scans of those on my Ko-fi, and I just toned it down with some gesso. I was going to go grungy and then I decided to go shabby, so I just toned it down a little bit. So let's get inside. She is quite chunky, but the cover does stay shut. It's not too bad, and I didn't feel the need to do a closure because we've got this lovely shaker element. So she's about just over 2 inches wide, and she is 6 inches that way, and she should be about 8 and a quarter that way. Okay, so we've got the lovely shaker element here. It is obviously 3D because it is a proper shaker. And then if we get inside, I kept the inside cover plain just because it was getting quite full already. I didn't want to add more and more and more and more. So we've got the lovely papers here in a little cluster that I made. These little embellishments I have a tutorial on. Okay, so go and have a look how those are made. So on the front first page here we've got a flip element. Okay, and we've got another one of the little embellishments, and it's also a little tuck for some little mini ephemera. So that goes in there. And then this is a cut down envelope. So it's been cut in half to make a lovely pocket, and we've got a lovely tag there with a lovely embossed tab with some gingham and some bits of ephemera in there. We've got a calendar and an old letter. Okay, so that slides back in there like so. And then here we've got a little angled tuck with a lovely little tag and some little bits of ephemera, just a little embossed pocket there. It's got some gilding wax on. And then this one here, this lovely girl again, we've got a tag at the back there. And then we've got a side pocket here with some bits of ephemera in. Made it look like an index card. And then that opens like so. You've got room for journaling or photos. And then this is envelopes in the kit that opens that way. So you can put ephemera in there. We've got a little postcard in there. And then there's a tuck spot there as well. Okay. Next page is just, I've left that, yeah, we've got lovely lace dangling off the edges of the pages throughout. I've really gone to town with it and used lots of lovely lace. So the next page is one of the lovely decorative papers, and then this is just normal coffee dyed paper which I've stenciled. I did end up using broken china because I wanted a slightly more vivid blue. And then here we've just got a distressed paper clip with some gingham holding a little tag. And on the other side here we've got some stenciling, lots of lovely stenciling throughout. We've got, this is a digital download from a library of a scanned in original letter. It's one of those that opens all up. You can even see where the seal was. I'm not going to open it. And then this little booklet was part of a freebie over in my group. On Facebook, the link for that's in the description below, and I've just added some little bits of ephemera. So that just clips on there like so. And then this pocket here is a double pocket. So we've got some random ephemera in the back. That's not necessarily winter themed, it's a bit random, but we've got one of the journaling cards there for writing on, some stenciling, and this is one of the pink papers in the kit because I wanted just a few pinks to offset the blues, just for a little bit of different, and some more beautiful dangler lace there. So this is one of the scanned images of my pretty patterned coffee dyed papers. Again, that's available in my Ko-fi little bag there, which I think are great for whoever gets the journal to put memorabilia in. This is a stencil. I think it came free with the Paper Crafts magazine that I'm subscribed to, and I just thought it was lovely. And then I've done some more stenciling there with another stencil where I can't remember where that's from. Here we've just got a very basic double stacked pocket with a double-sided journaling card in the top, and then in here we've just got a little tag, and this is a little money envelope, and then it's embossed there, and we've got lace here, and then some of the lovely digital paper from the kit, and then this little paper clip just goes on there, and then we've got a little pocket here, and I've just used a little leftover from the embossed paper there and added some little mini ephemera, another little cluster there. Okay, turn over, we've got the centre spread. I've left the ties quite long, so you could add things to them if you so desired, and I've just framed it with this pretty lace. And then on this side, we've got this beautiful lace either side of these pages, which just frames it gorgeous. I've got it on another couple of pages, or one page, I can't remember. So here we've got another vintage letter. That's part of my collection. That's not in the kit. Lovely journaling card that I've sewn all around. I've been practicing with my sewing to try and keep it straight. Another little cluster there, and another bag for your collectibles. Some more beautiful stenciling, and I just think it looks lovely with these pretty pattern papers. And these are awesome because it took me the best part of a day to make these papers out in the sunshine, on the garden table. So the fact that they're now scanned in and available for you to purchase means I can reuse them whenever I want, and it means that saves you the time of doing it, because it takes ages to get good results. And there's another one there, look. And here I've just done some more stenciling and added some, this is just normal coffee dyed paper, thin copy of paper, and again here. And then this is another printable, and I've just done some texture paste stenciling there for just a little bit of extra texture. And we've got a little coin envelope from the kit, and then a little piece of ephemera from my collection. This is a lovely double pocket belly band. I've got some beautiful applique on there. I've got one of my lovely guest checks that I made with heat embossing with metallic bronze and bits and pieces, and then a little mini book. Again, this was a freebie over on my Facebook group, and I've just made a little tiny notebook from that. Then there's a pocket at the back, and it does go all the way through to the other side, so that you're not restricted. Okay. And then on here we've got another pretty paper clip with a little coin envelope. Now I've left quite a decent space between each signature. The back there is fabric, it's fabric tape, and it's necessary to have quite a big gap, so otherwise your book don't close nicely. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful collage sheet there, which is part of the kit. And then here is the fold out. In case you haven't seen the tutorial, I'll quickly show you. So it unfastens like so, okay, and then you've got a pocket there with the window, you've got a pocket there with a little paper tag, and then you've got a pocket here with this other window. There's a pocket in there. Let's see if I can slide it out. Have I glued it in? So there's a little paper journaling tag there. Obviously there's a tuck at the back there with that larger tag in. Then when you lift it up, we've got a little collage there, room for journaling, Another little stacked pocket there. So there's a pocket there and a pocket at the back. Okay, so it's quite a lot in there. Okay, there is a tutorial on my channel of how that's made. I'll fasten that later. So another printable with some pretty lace down. More stenciling on that patterned paper. I just think it looks lovely. This is part of the kit. This one is stenciling and embossing paste with gilding wax on. I just think it looks lovely, and it's nice to have some things that are raised so that you can, you know, touchy feel. And then we've got a doily. Then we've got my favourite page in the whole entire journal, and I think it's because we've got this beautiful lace frame in it. So it's a folded over pocket, so it's 2 sheets. You put them together and you fold each corner down and glue there, and that creates a lovely pocket. Perfect for the centre of your signatures is this, and I think I will remember that next time I make a journal. Little cluster there, and then this is my clear ephemera wallet. I'll quickly show you, but I do have a tutorial on my channel on this as well. So that there helps hold it, and then it opens, and the little guy there is fussy cut and glued onto the acetate. We've got a Tim Holtz stacked pocket there full of little bits of ephemera, and then in there's room for more stuff. So we've got one of the guest checks in there. Okay, get in. Alright, I'll fold all that back up in a minute, and that just slides in that pocket there. And then at the other side I've used one of the pink papers, and that flips up for secret journaling, or you could tack it down and use it as an extra tuck spot. Some more texture paste there. I like it just on the corner, just a little bit for decoration, because I like to leave plain pages in my journals specifically for writing, but sometimes you feel like you've not finished unless there's something on a page, so just a bit of stenciling or a bit of texture paste works wonders for that. And we've got some more pretty lace here framing this central. This is the centre of a signature again with beautiful paper. It's absolutely stunning, really, really beautiful, soft and shabby, and it's winter without any Christmas is this one. We've got a Christmas kit coming up, so keep your eyes peeled. And again, we've got this beautiful lace just framing that picture. I think it looks absolutely lovely. I managed to make myself leave that one plain, and that one's just got some stenciling. And then this lovely patterned paper is part of the kit, and I just added this really rather large applique. I just wanted it dangling off the page so that when the book's shut it's like cascading over. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's beaded and sequined. Not beaded, sorry, those are beads, and those are like glass seed beads. It's absolutely divine. And then I've managed to leave some plain for writing, just hints of blue, more stenciling and pretty lace. Okay, some more lace there and some stenciling, and then we've got a large envelope and more of my patterned coffee dyed papers, more lace. I've added some pretty bows to this one as well, so it's double layers of lace there. Okay, another little pretty, very simple paper clip with some just knotted gingham ribbon, absolutely beautiful, lace on the bottom. And then here I've just added a little cluster of lace because the pages behind have got lace. I've added some tickets, you can cut them up and put them where you like, and we've got the little gingham paper clip again. Journaling card, it's been sewn all the way around, more music paper, another large envelopes. This is the same image that is in the shaker at the front. Beautiful stenciling and some lovely lace, more stenciling. I love stenciling. And this is the 3D pop-up page. Again, I've got a tutorial on this on my YouTube. It's absolutely lovely and it works perfect. Okay, you can put something down the back of there as well as a pocket, but if you do that then you have to take that out to make the mechanism work, otherwise it's a little bit too bulky. I've added some lace on that one as well. I've added laces everywhere, I've gone a bit mad. Beautiful plain papers from the kit, but these are lovely because they're distressed and textured. Another little bag, more of the beautiful patterned paper. Beautiful central signature with that gorgeous collage paper. And this here is my triple layered tag. I'll just quickly show you if I can get it undone. So this is a free add-on to this kit. I put it on my Ko-fi so that everybody could have a little taste of the kit, even if they couldn't afford to pay, pay for one, and they could still have a go. So this is on my Ko-fi for free, and you get the tags. And I've just, on this one, I've stamped it's not stamped, it's embossed with a glittery white embossing powder, and then I've just added a lace to the bottom, a little bit of stickles, added a little pearl there, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Really lovely. So you can create that layered tag for free. Absolutely free. We like free. Free fun. More beautiful lace, another bag for your goodies, another beautiful gingham paper clip there, and more lovely lace framing that page. I've just added a little tag at the back there because the paper clip's there, so why not? Here we've done some more stenciling with a lovely dove there and some writing, and then I've added a beaded and sequined applique. It's got seed beads on as well, it's absolutely stunning, and lace under as well. And then this page here, okay, so this was just an offcut, but it was one of my original coffee dyed papers, so I didn't want to waste it. So I turned it into a very simple pocket. Angled, I'm into angled pockets at the moment. Added one of my embellishments, some lovely lace, backed it with a bit of paper, and then filled it with some lovely ephemera. Okay, and then that's just a little tag, and that's an old check. Okay, and then this pocket here again, I've used one of my original coffee dyed papers. I need summer to come so that I can make some more. We've got a little cluster there, and it is a little tiny tuck spot for these tickets. Pretty lace sewn all the way around. Beautiful images at the back. It is a tuck spot at the back there, and it's quite deep, it's quite large. And there's another of my see-through ephemera wallets there. I won't open that, it's the same sort of thing as the other one, and that just goes in there. Okay, and then on the back page here we've got some stenciling and some lovely wedding applique hem. It's absolutely gorgeous, that's all sequined and beaded too. And then here we've just got these lovely birds again, and the back page is one of the lovely images, and that concludes my tour. Just look at her from the side, she's absolutely beautiful. So she is for sale, so if you're quick and you email me before it goes up on Ko-fi, then you can purchase it that way. But if you're not quick, it will go on Ko-fi, and then it's open to everybody. Payment is via PayPal or bank transfer. I only really do bank transfer with people that I've dealt with before, because I'd rather people use PayPal, and then they know their money's protected, because my PayPal is a business one. So yeah, there you go. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it gives you some inspiration, and go and check out my Ko-fi where you can purchase this kit, and there's other freebies on there too. And also, if you want to purchase her, she's beautiful. I will warn you, if you are international, the postage will be ghastly, because she's quite thick and she's quite heavy. So don't be shocked at the postal prices, they're absolutely disgraceful. I can't really do much about that, but within the UK it'll go as a standard parcel, so it's not too bad. So there you go, isn't she beautiful? I love the side profile of her. So there you go, thanks for joining me, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.